Hi guys, how are you all?
This is Priya.
Yeah, ma'am.
Should I just email you?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
No, that's fine.
Yukti, sorry, Yukti. Otherwise, we can talk during the holidays too.
Yeah. It's just about the algebra 2 skip thingy, so I can email you about it.
Skip thing, Ika, I really want to talk to you, Yukti, sometime, if possible.
Yeah, because I've also actually talked to my counselors at my school, and they told me a few stuff.
You
So,
can go ahead and tell me now. What is that?
so for the algebra 2, they said if I do want to skip it, I'd have to go for an outside of like during summer school. I'm thinking of doing that, and they're saying that I need to go through some University of Texas at Austin.
I will help you with that.
Yeah, and like they were saying like this stuff about how there's gonna be a break in my pre-calc, like for calculus. There's like second calculus 2 and calculus 3, right, for college. And like my math teacher, she was saying that like if I finish pre-calculus and calculus in freshman and sophomore, I would have this break in which I might kind of like lose touch, and that would be bad for college. So
What break you're going to have? You're not that accelerated, right?
no, because there's a 2 year, like what she was saying is either like dual credit, which means like we have AP statistics. If
We'll do
I
one
do,
thing. Why don't I postpone this discussion to the holidays?
sure, yeah, that's fine.
Just ping me, we can talk.
Okay,
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma. I really appreciate it.
yeah, no problem.
Sure, ma.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Okay. I really want to see. Okay, all the videos, guys. Let's move on. Bharat and Rushil. I really want to see you guys.
I have a question.
On the homework.
No, well, yeah, and the homework too.
Go ahead, Ashwik. 1 minute, ma. Let's see the videos first.
Okay.
So those are some important things. Otherwise, we'll just be moving on without last year video. Okay. I'll give you some time to get you on the videos. In the meantime, hi Lakshmita, what are you doing in school?
We're just working with like inequalities and stuff like that on equations.
Easy? Is it easy?
Yeah, I guess.
You guess? Okay. Anya, do you want to change your name, Anya? It is so difficult. Otherwise, yeah. Oh, yeah. You have it as Anya. I'm sorry. Okay. Riddha, what are you doing in school?
Like similar and congruent figures and stuff.
Is it easy?
Yeah.
Last year, you're not still on the video. Rushil, your video doesn't seem to be working. I would like to know how about you. Know you a little bit. Varad, hi. Yeah, we'll first discuss the homework for the first few minutes and then we'll move on to new topics. Okay, Varad? Hi, Rushil, you're not on the video, but I would like to have you on the video. Okay. Okay. Adyan, what are you doing in school?
So tomorrow, we have a test on area of triangular pyramid and rectangular prism, triangular prism, and hexagonal hexagons, no prism, and stuff like that.
I know you guys have gone too very differently. That's fine. No problem. Okay. Nidhi, looks like you've submitted homework. Vridha, did you have any questions in the homework? Lakshmita, did you have any questions? Ashwik, did you have any
Yes, I
questions?
had a question.
Why am I not seeing Anya's homework?
I did the homework, but I was out for a while today, and when I finished it, like I finished today after school because yesterday I was out all day. So when I finished it today after school, I just forgot to turn it in. But can I turn it in like right after class?
Yeah, sure.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm here. Rushil, finally, I'm able to hear you.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes.
It's me, Varad.
Varad, yeah, I'm able to hear you.
Oh, okay. No, like I'm just joining from a school laptop. That's why, because it's kind of, we say, laggy and broken. That's
Okay,
why.
we are able to very nicely hear you.
Oh, okay,
We
thank
move
you.
on.
Oh, nothing. I was just gonna check my, we say, audio
Sure,
and video.
sure, makes sense. Rushil, how are you? I'm able to see you.
I'm good.
Good. Okay, let's move on. Okay, should I bring up the homework for our questions? I feel that was a lot of homework, and honestly, guys, I don't know how many of you did it fully or how many of you had questions. Where are we on that?
I I didn't do it fully yet. I did only to like 61.
Absolutely fine. Okay, at the end of it, we need to review too. I need to review too because it's a big topic. Now, did you have any questions?
Oh
Yeah,
yes.
I had one on number 32.
Okay, Ashwik, you also had questions, right?
Yeah,
Okay, go ahead. Tell me the question numbers. We'll solve one by one. How many ever questions it is.
number 42.
Bharat and Rushil, we are discussing inequalities.
Okay.
It's question number 42.
42, Amma.
Yeah.
Last year, did you have any questions?
Not until where I got so far. No.
Oh, nice. Okay. I did not expect you to complete all of the homework, but you know what I thought? You had next week we have a holiday, right? Meaning 1 week of holidays, right? So I really thought you'll be able to do something more. It's a big unit. You see what I mean? A number of questions I gave you is also a lot. So I'm going to repeat this homework, but let's see. Now, so coming to this, how are we going to solve this? Equation in one variable is given. Which number line represents the solution? Okay, so here minus 2 will be equal to, see, the variable has a negative sign. That sounds hard. Okay, variable should never have a negative sign. So first of all, what is the first step I would do? Anybody can volunteer. Kavin, I got your message about the homework. Absolutely fine. You can utilize the holidays and finish it.
Well, you would subtract 2/3 and you would subtract it with the -2.
Okay, let's do that. So minus 2 by 3 will be equal to minus 8x. I don't want that variable's negative sign. So what should I do? Idant. Okay, no problem. Jay, go ahead. What is the next step? I'll go. What will I do? Jay, what is that I'll do?
So you divide it by how much ever you get by negative 2 minus 2 by 3.
Oh, you want to do that? Okay,
Yeah.
minus 6 minus 8 by 3, right? Will be equal to minus 8x. What will I do next, Jay?
And then so you did that, and then
Nidhi, you can as well help. What will I do next?
You divide -8 from x, -8x.
Yeah, I can divide by negative 8. That's a good one. Both sides I can divide by negative 8. And Ashwik, the question that you sent definitely was framed incorrectly. Okay, division means it will be multiplication by 1 by minus 8, right? So the minus 8 and minus 8 get cancelled. So 1 by 3 will be, I'm dividing by negative 8, right? So 1 by 3 will be equal to x. So which is the answer here? Anybody? You want to say Smita? No, sorry, go ahead.
Oh, okay. It was G, right?
It was correct, 1 by 3, because this is 0 to 1 is split into 3 parts, 1 by 3. Correct.
Okay.
Any questions?
But Miss Bear, can you put that in the board back so I can write it down?
Sorry, yes. You don't need to write it down, but first understand, Idant. If you understood, then it's fine.
And do we have a class on holidays?
No, that's what I wanted to say. Ashwik, I was saying, right? Next week we have a holiday.
Okay.
This entire week we don't have any classes.
Yeah, I think I get it. Yeah, I get it now.
Okay, we'll move on. Last year, did you understand that?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to give you questions now. You're going to solve. I don't want you to solve inequalities. Wait.
Miss Priya, I have a question on the homework.
Which one? Which question number?
Question number 19.
19. We'll solve more of this homework today because I gave it to you, meaning I made sure I have everything up and running for you for the 2 weeks. That's all. Okay, we'll do this one.
I got a
So,
little confused on this
okay,
one.
I'll go ahead and work it out by myself.
Okay.
There is an inequality given. How do you decide it's an inequality?
Because it has like the sign.
Yeah. So there is an inequality is given. Which of the following model? Model means pictorial models they have given. They have given pictorial models and they have asked which of the makes see which of these shows a model of the inequality and the values of x that make the inequality true. I have to find this slowly. Okay, there it's like solving 4 different questions. So let me go ahead and enlarge it a little bit so that you all can see it better. Varad, are you able to see it better?
Yes, ma'am.
Rushil, you're able to see it better?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, first, see, there are 3x's. So how do I write this inequality? 3x plus 1 plus 2 is greater than minus 1. When I solve that inequality, 3x plus 2 is greater than minus 1. Nidhi, can you help me with the first step?
Okay. So the first thing you'll do is minus 2 on each side.
Mm-hmm. And then?
And then you divide by 3 on each side.
So I end up with this. So is this inequality correct?
Mm-hmm.
That seems right. Good job.
Miss Priya,
Right, but I want, yeah, ma?
can you just solve it and then since -1 is the only answer, that's the only right answer.
That's the only right answer, but I want to make sure everything else is wrong. So let's go ahead and do. So this
Okay.
is x. So
Miss Priya,
yeah, go ahead.
I thought it wasn't this one because like X, because I think I did something wrong.
Okay, let's go ahead and find out.
A was my first answer, but like then I couldn't find anything else, so I got really confused.
Why don't we go ahead and try this one?
Mhm.
So subtract 2 on both sides. 3x is greater than minus 3, right? X is greater than minus 1. This inequality is incorrect. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Second, C. Definitely this is not the right answer. 2x plus 3. I'm solving for C. 2x plus 3 is greater than minus 1. Minus 3 on both sides. 2x is greater than minus 4. X is greater than minus 2. Whoa. Okay. This also seems right. Let's see.
I think
Coming.
because of the equation on top, the inequality on top.
What, ma?
So it says like an inequality is showed, and then they like showed an inequality.
Mm-hmm.
I think you only have to solve for that one.
Oh, model of that inequality. Correct. Model of this inequality. That means this only matters. Though this one is correct, this does not represent 3x plus 3. So that, oh, good. So C is not correct. A
Yeah.
is the
So so I got no. I'm saying that I got A as my first answer, but then I like got confused because it and the, like because I used like I asked my aunt and then she said it was A, but like
A. So did you understand now?
yeah.
Okay. Let's go ahead and try. I want you to try 1 or 2 problems. Then I'll know who knows what. Okay. How about uh, okay. How about this one? Can you all send me the answer for this one? Which number line represents the solution x not equal to minus 3 by 4? That's a tricky one. Let's see. Varad, are you working on it?
Yes, ma'am.
Varad, Rushil, are you able to work on it? Do you know to work this out?
Yeah.
Okay. You can send in the answer using the chat. Riddha got it. Ashwik got it. Kavin, that's right. Lakshmita, not really. Idant, you corrected it. Good job. Anya, it's okay, but it's just some sort of logical thinking I want you to do. It's not hard. Lasya, Jay, correct. Varad and Rushil, I can help you. Can I go ahead and try?
What?
Lakshmita, you corrected. Nidhi, good job. So let's go ahead and try this one out. So here, when you look at it, x is, okay. Okay, how about this, guys? What is the equation from this number line? What equation can you write? Who can help me? Idant, can you help me write an equation from this number line? What does this number line say? X will be equal to what?
That number line says that x will be like equal to negative 3/4, I think.
Good. X equal to negative 3/4. Very nice. What does this number line say? Adyan, you want to try? We are solving 4
Okay,
questions.
yeah.
Hmm.
Is it
Go ahead.
yeah, I think I think that's the answer for me. Wait.
Shout out. We are just discussing, right?
Is it x
Bharat,
equal
good
to,
job correcting it. Yeah, go ahead. X.
equal to no.
You know what? It's hard to say here. See, X is not equal to let's skip that, okay? Because
Okay.
they've not highlighted any piece here and they've said there is a hole. Let's leave that. You want to say for this one? X equal
X
to
equal to negative.
all real numbers because everything is shaded. Did you see
Oh
that?
yeah.
And even
Oh.
if it's a dot, it's shaded. Everything is shaded. Everything is
Okay.
highlighted. So the last one, did you see? X is everything, all real numbers, excluding 3/4. So X is not equal to minus 3/4. Rushil, did you get it?
Miss
Yeah.
Priya,
Yeah, basically they've asked for not equal to. Yes, ma, go ahead.
for G, it says like X is not 3/4, but it also doesn't say that it's not any of the other numbers. So
Yeah, that is why I can't call G because X is not equal to 3/4 is here. But they're not saying X equal to is any of this. X is not equal. X does not have a solution is what I can come into. You see what I mean? So that's why we cannot choose G. Any questions?
yeah.
Other than that, G is like the closest option to.
Yeah, after J, G is the closest option. I agree. Can we move on? Last year, did you get it? Now, guys, I would like each of you to solve this inequality, pick up the solution from this board. Please send in answers, guys.
Miss Priya, I sent my answer.
I saw my answer too.
Riddha, correct. Kavin, which is the answer, Kavin? A, B, C, D.
Oh, shoot, my bad.
Ashwik, correct. Adyan, check your answer,
Yeah,
Adyan.
I just realized I accidentally typed in the wrong letter.
Kavin, you want to check your answer, Kavin?
Yes, sir, I'm not,
Yeah, see, but your variable answer is correct, but your option number is incorrect.
Miss Priya, I sent my answer now.
Yeah. Jay correct. Kavin still incorrect, ma. Lakshmita correct. Kavin, you corrected it. Varad, there is some issue with your answer. I will go over it. Idant, I'll help you. Rushil, there is some issue. Okay, let's go over C. Okay, many of you have answered C. Why is C not the answer? Let's find out. For the C, right, they have clearly given the shading and then they have given this part. What is this point? -5. So anything equal to or above -5 is x. So x is greater than or equal to -5. That is this inequality. But what we want, we solved this, right? We subtracted 8 on both sides. -2x is less than 10. When we divide by -2, we flip the sign. That is what is important. That's what we learned last week. Remember? We flip the sign. When you do division or multiplication using a negative number, we flip the sign. So x is greater than -5 is what we want. But the problem about C is, just because this is shaded, right, x can also be equal to -5. This should not be there if we want this. If we want to represent this, this equal to should not be there, right? So now we want x is greater than or equal. See, when there is a whole means there is no equal to. X is just greater than -5. So B is the answer. Rushil and Bharat, did you get it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. There is a -5, guys. Okay. Coming here, A. Can you all send me what equation does A represent? For less than equal to, you can send it to me like this in the chat. Less equal to. Or you can say less than or equal. For typing, I'm saying. What inequality does this represent? Take your time. If you don't know, doesn't matter at all. Yes, Anya, that's correct. Adyan, is it like that? Think about it. What part is highlighted, Adyan? J, correct. Rushil, correct. Idant, try Idant. What part is highlighted? Where do you have the dot? Dot is what point, Idant? I'll help you, Idant.
Oh, I know now.
Adyan, please resend the answer. Kavin, correct. Anya, correct. Nidhi, correct, ma. Riddha, what happened? I don't understand your answer.
Oh no, I accidentally sent it.
Lasya, please send in your answer.
Miss Priya accidentally sent it.
No problem. Hey, Adyan, see the sign, Adyan. It is shaded. The 0.5 is shaded. Means
Yeah,
you
I
have to
just
include.
realized I accidentally switched the symbol.
Last year, the question I asked was, what is the inequality for option A? Idant, what is the inequality for option A? Means it should contain x, right? If you write an equation or inequality, you should have the variable, right? Where is the variable? Riddha, I am just asking what inequality does this represent? That's all for A. What inequality is this A? That's all I asked. That's better, Lasya. Thank you. Ashwik, correct. Adyan, 5 is equal.
Oh,
So
no.
should be
Wait.
there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I saw Bharat got it right. Rushil, did you send the answer, Rushil?
Yeah.
Oh, you sent it? I didn't see, honestly. Yeah, I got it. Varad as well. Varad, you didn't send it, right?
I've sent it.
You also sent it. Can you resend it?
Okay.
Varad, you will have, meaning the inequality that you send doesn't seem right. See, here x, there is an equal to sign, is greater than or equal to, right side is shaded, right? Is greater than or equal to 5 is the inequality.
Oh
Rudra,
yeah.
did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, can you
Oh,
all
I thought it was x less than or equal to 5.
this is x is greater than or equal to 5, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Write the inequality for D. Write the inequality for D. We'll go to word problems too.
Did I send it? Right?
Go ahead.
Oh, is my answer right?
I'm checking mine. Lasya, again, see the question I'm asking. What are you answering, ma? Idant, it's not correct. You have to find x. What is that 5x? Where is 6? 6 is not even there. Riddha, you have also not answered the question.
That was for the last question.
Oh,
I messed up on that.
Okay.
Miss Priya, is my answer right, Miss Priya?
Yes, Kavin.
Oh no, it's Jay asking.
Oh, 1 minute, 1 minute. Kavin, I just saw his answer. Adyan, see the sign, Adyan. X is greater than, huh?
No, the
Anya,
sign
correct, ma? Rushil, correct.
the sign is
Miss
switched.
Priya, what do you mean my answer is like not?
What inequality is represented by option D?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Nidhi, is it more than or less than, ma?
I thought you were talking about B.
I have clearly highlighted on the board.
Sorry, I thought you said B earlier.
See the highlight on the board. B is done. We are on D. And I have written the question too. It's fine, Amma. Okay. Idant, is it greater or less? J, correct. Varad, not really, right, Varad? Meaning, see, I just wanted the inequality for D. How will we represent it? There is some unknown number. That unknown number is less than -5. -5 is not included because it's a whole. So anything less than that. This is the inequality, Varad. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma?
you looked at my newest one, right?
Yes, that was correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, yeah, okay, let's go ahead and try writing equations. Cameron bought a used car for $4,500. He made a down payment of 1,200. So 1,200 is down paid. And then the remaining balance in monthly installments of 300. So which equation can be used to find M, the number of months it will take Cameron to pay off his car, which is correct. Take your time.
Are we doing questions 5 or 6?
We are doing question number 6.
Okay.
I said my answer.
I will highlight it if that helps you.
I said my
Yes,
answer.
same.
Yama, 1 minute, ma. Good job, Anya. Ashwik, recheck your answer. Adyan, recheck your answer. Riddha, Idant, Kavin, Lasya, correct. Rushil, correct. Jay, correct. So, Nidhi, correct. So, Ashwik, see here, this is the main money. That main money, that's correct. Everywhere they're equating it. 1,200 is a down payment. That is not monthly.
Sorry, I typed in the
Yeah. So go ahead and resend it then.
Yeah, I resent it.
Yep. Ashwik, did you?
What?
Lakshmita, you did. Ashwik, I didn't get your answer.
I sent it.
Recent answer, I didn't get it. Varad, I didn't get your answer either. Try, guys. If you don't get it, I'm here to solve. Last year, you send it. Yes.
Did you get it? No.
Bharat, I didn't get. Ashwik, I didn't get. Oh, yeah, Bharat, I got it. Correct, Ma, Bharat. Ashwik? Yes. Thank you, guys. So you all got it now. Now, the thing is about inequalities, writing. See, when you're given an equation or an inequality, figuring out a verbal situation is another entire beast. Meaning, okay, how about this? What does this pictorial model represent? What equation or inequality does this pictorial model represent?
21 equal to
Don't
2.
shout, please, 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 please,
Oh,
please.
okay.
Chat.
Do I just send it? Send
Yeah, yeah. Ashwik, correct. Lasya, correct. Ma, Anya, correct. Ma. These are very easy ones. Roshil, correct.
Do I send the answer too?
Do you send the answer too? Will be nice.
Okay.
Correct. Guys, you're all very good with this, I feel. Varad, there is no less than equal to, right, Varad? It is exactly equal to. See, both the boxes are the same. Did you see it here? Both the boxes, this 21 is exactly equal to 2x plus 9.4. Varad, did you get it?
I sent mine.
Yes.
Okay. Riddha, yes, Riddha, that's correct. Vedant, good job on that. Okay. Now, I really want you guys to go ahead and work on inequalities. Inequalities will take a toll. Let's see. 1 second, guys. I will choose a question. Okay, how about this? Number 30. Number 30. I will go ahead and solve if you didn't understand. Which inequality is true? When the value of x is equal to 1 by 3 means we are going to plug in the value of 1 by 3 and see which of the inequalities is correct.
I sent my answer.
Riddha, Lakshmita, correct. Adyan, you might want to verify. Anya, correct. Ma. Kavin, you might want to verify. Ashwik, that's correct. Rushil, you might want to verify. Adyan, you might want to verify. Do you want me to help you with that, guys? Rushil, shall I help you or you want to retry?
I'll retry.
Okay. Jay, you have to verify. Okay, no problem. If you didn't get it, I'll help you. Kavin, no, Kavin. Kavin, I'll help you, Kavin. Okay. See, x equal to 1 by 3 means I'm going to plug in x equal to 1 by 3. Let me plug in and see. Is 2 less than 3 times 1 by 3 plus 0 0.9? 3 times 1 by 3 is 1. So 2 is less than 1.9. Is that correct? No, this is incorrect. This is how I'll verify. I'll plug in x equal to 1 by 3 in each of the equation. So 6 times 1 by 3 plus 15 is greater than or equal to 18. This will be 2. 17 is greater than or equal to 18? No. I'll go ahead and plug in x equal to 1 by 3 in each of that and see. 12 times 1 by 3 minus 2 is greater than 1. 12 times 1 by 3 is what? 4. 4 minus 2 is? 2 is greater than 1. Wow, that's correct. How about the last one? 15 times 1 by 3 plus 1.4 is less than or equal to 5. Huh? 5 plus 1.4, 6.4 is less than or equal to 5. Huh? No. So answer is H. Does it make sense, guys, all of you? Okay. Now let's come to a harder part. Okay, how about you try 29 for me? I would like every one of you to get it right, and then I'll move on to the word problems and inequalities and equations.
Is that my answer?
Riddha, Anya, Ashwik, correct. Rushil, do you want to check once more? Nidhi, Kavin, correct. If you're stuck, finding it tough, simply message. We will go over it. Kavin, Nidhi, correct, ma'am. Rushil, you might want to check it once more. Lakshmita, correct. Rushil, did you observe that if you substitute minus 8 in B, it becomes minus 24 plus 20?
Yeah, I resent my answer.
Oh, okay. Yes, now it's right. Correct. Good job. Lasya. Did you send Lasya? Send it, guys. Adyan, you might want to check. Bharat, can you send the answer?
I'm still finding it.
No problem. Lasya, you're also still finding it. Idan, that's right. Adyan, I want you to resend Adyan.
But Miss Priya, did I get it right?
Yes, Idant. Adyan, no, Idant. I'm going to help you, Idant. Sorry, Adyan. Idant, you got it right. Shall I go ahead? Hey, shall I do it on the board or wait for more answers?
Wait, I'm about to send my answer, Miss Priya.
Okay, no problem. I'll wait, Jay. Correct. Jay, what happened? No. Jay, let's do it. Let's do your equation. Substitute minus 8. Did you write it down and check or mentally you did?
I wrote it down.
Oh, then let's see. Let's see together. See, this becomes positive 8 by 2 minus 6. What is positive 8 by 2 minus 6? 4 minus 6, which is a minus 2. That is not equal to minus 10. Adyan, that's correct. Lasya, still incorrect.
Yeah, I realized I forgot about the side.
Okay. See, do it in paper and see, guys. Don't mentally do it. Bharat, can I help you? Okay. So when you think about x is minus 8, right? I'm going to plug it in. Take this equation. Half times minus 8 plus 17. What it is? Minus 8 by 2 is minus 4 plus 17 is what? 13. Wow, I get that equation. This is the answer. That's all. I can plug in minus 8 here. When you plug in, let's plug in minus 8 here. It becomes what? 16 plus 16 plus 11. Oh, that is not equal to -5. So like that, you score out the 3. This is the answer. Bharat, did it make sense?
Like, I have a question that. So basically, you're just multiplying 8 by 2, and you're just ignoring the 1. So how is it then?
Where, Mahir?
No, on the 29th question.
29th question. Which one do you want me to substitute in?
No, like you said that you like how do we say multiply one by one, so 1/2 by -8.
1 by 2 times -8 plus 17, right?
Yeah.
1 by 2 times -8 is -8 by 1. Multiply the
Oh
numerator.
yeah.
Multiply the denominators. This will be a -4. Make sense?
Yes. Now it
It
makes
will be a
sense.
13. Can I move on?
Yes, please.
Next, let's see. How about, I want you to do some word problems now. Okay, let's, before going to word problems, right? Let's iron out situations, okay? Okay, first for an equation, first for an inequality. There is an equation given. 18 is equal to 114 minus 6b. Now, they've given 4 scenarios. You have to match which scenario corresponds to the equation given. You know what? I'm going to turn this into 4 different problems. For each f, g, h, j, you have to give answers like this. Oh, for f, what is the equation? G, what is the equation? H, what is the equation? J, what is the equation? Write your own equation. Send it to me for f, g, h, j. Please try, guys. 4 different questions are involved here.
Okay. Miss Priya.
Yeah, go ahead.
So the main thing I just sent the answer, so I'll just do it for like the other ones.
Sure.
Just clarifying, so we're not exactly like solving the which situations that's represented. We're just like,
I want the equation for each of that. See, if
okay.
you're able to do that, then I'm confident you'll be able to do the others. Let me do one thing, guys. For you not to get confused, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put out these 4 problems on my whiteboard so that you can see the whiteboard and do all the 4 problems answers I need.
So for a variable, can I just put x?
Go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead. Some of them, it might be petty as well, meaning, okay, let me go ahead with F and you can go ahead with G. Amy sold bags of brownies at a bake sale. There were 18 brownies in each bag. She sold a total of 114 brownies. After the bake sale, Amy had 6 individual brownies left. Let's see. Amy sold bags of brownies at a bake sale. There were 18 brownies in each bag. She sold, okay, let's say the number of bags. I will put it out as B. Now, B times 18 will be equal to 140. But the thing is, okay, now she had 6 individual brownies left. So, B times 18 plus 6 will be equal to 114 because this many she sold and she had this left. This 18 was in B bags. She sold B bags. That is the case. 18B plus 6 equal to 114 is my equation for first situation. Do you have any questions? This is how you need to write equations. So or you can write it out as 18B plus 6 equal to 114. Any questions, guys? Any questions?
No.
Is it 18b minus 6 or plus 6, Varad? Is it 18b minus 6 or 18b plus 6? Bharat?
Plus.
Plus 6, yeah, because 6 were left, right? Go ahead. Go ahead with the other 3. Are you able to? Do you need my help?
Well, we send the answer for all the equations, right? For all the
Yes,
F.
that's true. That's true.
I sent it for everything other than the actual answer for the question.
Did I get the answer right?
Well, I'm checking. F and G seems very similar, right, guys?
Yeah, I almost messed them up. I got the same equation for both of them.
But
It's a
I also,
little.
yeah, I am getting same equations for both, right?
Yeah, but it's different though. She in the first one she sold 114, and G she baked 114.
Yeah, 3 plus 18. Lakshmi, all your answer. Brownies applicable itself. VT only will be plus.
oh, I know why.
Uh-huh.
I think it was because when she said she sold a total of 140. Oh, never mind. I got the same for
I
both.
feel like H and J are both the same.
I just put J.
Yeah, my answer was J for the main one.
Did you do H and J are the same answer or F and
That's what I got, but wait,
H?
H and J seems to be the
No,
same.
but like in H, I'm pretty sure it says she has 18 individual brownies. Oh no, they are the same thing, I think.
Ami baked 114 brownies for a bake sale. She sold bags of brownies
Yeah,
with
no,
each
no.
bag
Miss
containing.
Priya, for F and G and H and J have the same difference. In H and F, she sold 114. In G and J, she baked 114.
Okay, let's find it, guys. Okay. So the first one, what was the equation we wrote? We wrote something, right? 114 equal to 18b plus 6 we wrote, right? Second one, Ami baked 114 cookies. She sold with each bag containing 18b. Okay. And then after the bake sale, she had 8 left. She had 6 left. I'm getting the same thing. Okay, Amy sold bags of brownies at a bake sale. Each bag contains 6 brownies. She sold a total of 118 brownies. She sold a total of 114 brownies. She sold 114 brownies, okay. So that would be 6B. She sold a total of 114 brownies, okay, and had 18 brownies left after the bake sale. She sold that much and then had 18 brownies left after the bake sale. That's it. Oh, wow. Okay.
Then it would be 6B plus 18 equals 114.
Not really,
No,
right?
wouldn't it be 18 equals 114 minus 60?
What?
Wouldn't it be 18 equals 114 minus 6b?
But okay, 1 minute. See, she sold 114 brownies. That itself will be equal to 6B, right? She sold 114 brownies and all were sold in bags of 6 brownies. 114 itself is equal to 6B, right? Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Let's find the answer, guys. Let me go ahead and do for you. Lakshmita, the H1, right? H is 6B itself is 114, right? The 18 is an extra piece of information, right? This one is correct. 114 equal to 6B plus 18. This is correct. Do you see it? This one is not making sense at all. That's all. The 18 is an extra piece of information. Similarly, she baked. After the bake sale, she had individual cookies left. See, she baked. So this plus 6 will be 18B plus 6 will be equal to 114. Here, Amy sold. She sold 114 means, see this one again, she sold. So 18B will be equal to 114. There is no plus 6 there. That 6 is an extra piece of information because 18 brownies in each bag. So 18 times B will itself be 114. Because she sold all 114. That 114 is a multiple of 18. So 18B will be equal to 114. Don't bother about the 6 individual brownies left, right? So what would be the answer for this one? Let me go back. So here, which situation helps us understand this equation? Which situation helps us understand this equation? So 18b plus 6 equal to 140. Answer is G. Does it make sense, guys? J, did you get it? Why the first answer was 114 equal to 18b only? Why? There is no plus 6 added there. Why? Because it is clearly given Amy sold. See, there's a lot of difference. Amy sold how many? She sold 114. All in bags of 18, 18, 18, 18. So 18 times the number of bags itself will be 114. The 6 individual brownies left is just an extra piece of information. I cannot plug it in anywhere. The second one, she baked a total of this. Sold only 18b. So 18b plus the additional ones left behind will be 114. Varad, did you get it? Varad?
Not quite.
Not quite. Okay. Which one you didn't get? F, G, H, J. Which one do you want to know? Kavin, which one did you not get? Or you got everything?
I got it.
Okay. Ma, whoever did not get, you have to tell me which one should I go through? I'll go through with you.
J and G.
J and G. Okay. Okay. Ami baked 114. She's baking 114. Okay. Now she's selling some brownies. 18, 18, 18, 18, like that. We don't know how many 18s. Okay. So from this 114, you subtract that 18 times the number of bags. There will be some cookies left. Brownies left after the sale. So that is equal to 6. Does it make sense, Varad?
Yes.
But what happened here was she sold 114. Here she is baking 114 and has 6 left. Here she sold 114. So that will be equal to 18b. That's all. Here 114 equal to 18b. Okay. Here it becomes 114. Subtract the 18b. You have 6 left over. Similarly, here you can have 114 and that will be equal to 6b. Here 114, subtract the 6b, you have 18 left over. Bharat, is it quite okay now?
Yes.
See, writing equations inequalities is definitely hard. Can we try one last one? How about this? One last one. Let's try this one. How about this? Go ahead. Go ahead.
Are we solving it or are we just making like an equation for each letter answer choice?
No, just the answer this time.
Okay. Okay.
Just the answer this time.
I sent my answer.
Same. I also sent my answer.
Uh-huh.
Now slowly, once you finish box breathing, you can move into Nadi Shodhana for 2 seconds.
Go ahead. It's a tricky question, guys. Let's see who gets it.
Miss Priya, I sent it already.
Yeah, I already sent my answer too.
Already sent it. I'll ask you to explain though. Yep. Oh, this one was so easy. Everybody got it right.
Yes, it's not that hard.
I see. Okay. Rushil, did you get it? Yep. Everybody cool. Got it. Jay, did you get it?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. See, I'll call you out if you don't. Jay, go ahead and send. Adyan, please, Adyan, you have to send the answer. Guys, if you got this, I think we can log off.
Yeah, I sent my answer.
Okay.
Enjoy the
Bye, Miss
break.
Priya.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, Miss
Enjoy the
Priya.
break. See you all week after
Miss
next.
Priya.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys.
Yeah.
Thanks for you.
Bye.
Feel and yeah, bye. Varad, I would like to talk to you guys.
Miss Priya, I sent my answer though.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye. One second, guys. I have to stop recording.